everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I'm doing a haul video. I had gone to TJ Maxx recently. I had gone with my friend Siv, hey girl, and I thought I'd just share with you guys what I ended up buying there. It's a very small haul, and then I'll also share a Queen and Company purchase as well as an Amazon purchase. So I might as well lump it all together since they're all, small items. So anyway, I went with Siv, and I think one of the first things that we saw when we were at TJ Maxx were the Christmas items. Everything was 50% off, and so it was a great time to go. I hadn't gone to TJ Maxx in a really long time. I was trying not to shop anymore, but I was on the hunt for a wrapping paper that Siv had used on my present, and I didn't find it, but I did find some other things. So anyway, this is a Molly and Rex packaging, padded envelope, sorry. And I love it. Siv actually found it, and she was generous enough to let me purchase it. So anyway, it was $3.99, and again, 50% off. So it was such a great deal. So I think most of the items actually that I purchased that were Christmas were about $2. So great deal. I got that one. I was also... Well, let me just do the Christmas wrapping first. Now, this one does not look Christmas, like a Christmas wrapping paper, but it was with the rest of the wrapping paper. So they did give me 50% off. So this was also $2. And I just love the color, this, peachy pink color, and the little dots on it. I just thought it was so pretty and dainty, and I believe Siv also picked one of these up. So happy to find that. And there was a ton of Christmas wrapping paper, but again, I was looking specifically for the one that Siv had gifted me. I didn't find it, but I did find this one, and I thought this was also super cute. And this is a Mary Mary design, and I do like their products. So again, this was $2, and look how cute that Santa is. This is the closest that I could find to the wrapping paper that Siv had gifted me. That one was really pretty with the pink. They were pink striped candy canes with hollies on it, and I just thought that was so pretty. And then the Santa was cuter, and it was also riding on a unicorn, and I believe it was gold glitter instead of gold foiling on that one. But this one I thought was really cute too, so I did purchase that. And I limited myself to 2 because I really don't need any more Christmas wrapping paper, but I just couldn't pass these 2 up. So I did grab these, and non-crafty item that I did purchase were these deer foams that were there when I was in line, and they had a bunch of them, and they happen to have my size. Yeah, I have kind of small feet, but I love fluffy slippers, and so I decided to go ahead and get it. And these were on sale. I mean, they're, regularly $26, but of course, TJ Maxx price was $7.99, so great deal. So I love them. They're so fluffy and soft. And Siv was looking for storage, and I decided to go ahead and grab some as well because I have so many dies that I need to organize again, and I always like to get these freezer bins or fridge, for the fridge bins. And I got these two. This is a good size. This should fit my smaller and bigger dies as well. And here's the measurement in case you want to know. But yeah, these are perfect for those Avery L, you know, storage envelopes for the dies, as well as for, I might also put some stamps in here, but they were only $3.99, so that is a pretty good price. So I decided to get a couple of them, and they did have different sizes as well. And then lastly, at TJ Maxx, I had gotten these chocolates. I just thought they were so beautifully wrapped, and I just love the vintage look to them. And they're made in Britain, so they should be good because they're European chocolate, right? European chocolate's usually really good, but the wrapping is what sold me. So this was also $3.99. So, and it was on sale too because it's Christmas. It's a Christmas item. So that is it. I was really good. I probably spent only about $25 or so. And then I had ordered this from Amazon. So I thought I'd just share it with you guys because this is my absolute favorite eyelash trim from Martha Stewart. It comes in different colors, and I might just go ahead and grab some other colors, but this was the one that I really wanted to use. This is my go-to eyelash trim when I want to just add some silver, you know, silver touch to my projects. And I just love this one because, as you can see here, the eyelash they're not super long. I think they're just the perfect size in comparison to the ones that you get at Hobby Lobby. For instance, here, like on this one, see how long the lashes are? Sometimes it's you know, it's, if you want a nice shabby project, of course, they look nice, you know, like this white one. But sometimes I don't like them that long, but that's just me, you guys. But I just absolutely love this trim, and you know, it's not cheap, but I like it, and it goes a long way because I just ran out this year, and I got these from Tuesday Morning, I think, a long time ago, like years ago. So they do last a long time. And then I did order something from Queen & Company, and I ordered a kit, so let me just share with you guys. I've had this for a while, since November, I think, sometime, and I just hadn't done, I got really busy, you guys, so I hadn't done sorry for the noise, I hadn't done a haul. But when this came out, I had to have it. I just had to have it. And I want to say, I think I did get it on sale. Like, I didn't pay, you know, retail price for it. It was, or I can't remember if I had a coupon. I think it was one of those, you spin and then you get like, I don't know, 10% or something like that. So I did get a discount on it. So the whole kit, and don't ask me how much it was because I don't remember. Oh wait, maybe it's here on the, I don't know if I have my receipt. Yeah, I don't remember, but you guys can check it out on their site, queenandcompany.com. This is called Happy Holidays, and they give you a 6x6 double-sided paper pad, which is very cute. But I really didn't get it for the paper pad. I really just wanted the dies. They do also give you a couple of shimmery or it's like really fine glitter paper, cardstock. I also wanted these because these are nice greetings. Meet me under the mistletoe. Have a holly jolly Christmas, candy cane wishes. I mean, they're just really cute. Sending you sweet season's greetings. So I'm hoping I can still play with this because I'm not done with all of my projects. I was trying to craft today, you guys, but I just I decided I'm gonna just do a haul because I just kind of lost my mojo. But anyway, I do have my receipt under here. So I ended up paying, with shipping, it was a total of $44.95, and that's including shipping. So I think with my discount it came out to about $39. Anyway, as you can see, there are the examples that you can create. So it makes shakers. You can let me just show you the dies. You can make a gingerbread stocking. This is the holly and berries, and a leaf, candy cane. It makes a cute little bow and a sled. It's just so cute. And yeah, they're all shakers. And then of course you get the foam and the acetate to make the Christmas tree. I think you get, yeah, 3 of each. 3 of each. And this must be, oh, this is the present. Okay, so this is the present. And I think you can, yeah, that's how you use the bow and the, this is supposed to be like ribbon. And you get the holly and these and the gingerbread. Oh my gosh, the gingerbread was, you know, a must. Anything gingerbread, I just go crazy. I'm missing one of these and I put it somewhere. I can't, I know I found it. I think I dropped it and then I found it. But anyway, yeah, and then the sleigh. So I recently purchased a sleigh, but this one's a shaker one. So, and I had purchased this like way before. So, and then it comes with the little bits, and I love it because you get the little balls as well as, and they're pearly balls, and as well as some gems. You get, I think it's 2 different kinds or 3 different kinds of gems. You get this one, which is super sparkly. You get the red, and then the white or clear. There's no white, it's just the clear gems. So, and then of course the different colored balls. So really cute. I love these. I always try to get these at the expo, but they didn't have this at the expo at the time. This came out later. So you can still check it out online, but it's, for me, it's totally worth it because it's complete. It gives you everything. So anyway, I hope you guys liked my haul, and have a wonderful New Year's. In case I don't get to talk to you guys, but I will try to post a video, you know, in a couple of days. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.